hivyo ni nini?
Kwa meat.
Hello class. Hello. Hello. Are you getting me? Yeah, are you seeing the screen? Yeah, thanks. Now we are going today to learn on alkali metals, that is in organic chemistry. So we are going to our learning outcomes today. At the end of the lesson, we should be able to define what alkali metals are, give a list of alkali metals and their atomic numbers, know the physical properties, know the chemical properties, and also the uses of alkali metals. So to start with introduction part of it, we are going to see what are the alkali metals. We can say they are group 1A elements in the periodic table. So when you are focusing on a periodic table, they are found in group 1A, that is the first column. We have hydrogen is excluded from these alkali metals or group 1 because it doesn't lose electrons. In our next slide, we are going to see some of the examples of these group 1 elements. So we have the first one is lithium, which is denoted by capital L and small I, and we have the second one is sodium, which is denoted by N capital and small a. Next we have potassium, rubidium, cesium, and also francium. In our next slide, we are going to see how they are arranged in the periodic table. We have lithium, which has atomic number 3. We have also sodium, which is having atomic number 11, potassium, atomic number 19. Also, we have 37, that's rubidium, cesium, 55, and also francium, 87. Below it, we have also their mass numbers, but next slide, we are going to see their physical properties. These group 1 elements, we say they are shiny. When you look at them, they seem to be very shiny. They are soft. We can also say that they are reactive at standard temperature and also pressure. We can say also they are easily cut by knife due to their softness when exposing them. Also, after being cut, when you expose them to air, we get that they furnish or they form a layer that is due to oxidation. We can also say that their physical one of their physical properties. Due to that, we can say that they are stored under oil to prevent the reaction, which is we can say when they react with air, they are very reactive. So they are stored under oil to prevent the reaction of these metals with air. And also we can say that the cesium is the most reactive of all these elements. Now next slide, we are going to see their chemical properties, whereby the first chemical properties we say that they react with air. That is and any alkali metal or any element in group 1, when it reacts with air, we get they form their respective oxides. That is, they form monoxides and also superperoxides. The next one, you can say that the heavier alkali metals form superperoxides, or the heavier alkali metals. That is, we have the heavier ones are francium and also cesium. Together, when they react with the air, they form super peroxides. We have some of the examples of the reactions of these elements. We have the general reaction of them reacting with the water. We can take, for example, letter M. When we reacted with water, we get M hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So, for example, we can take any metal in group 1. For example, we can take lithium. We substitute with M. When we react it, we get lithium hydroxide and also hydrogen gas. All the element 1 elements, when they react with water, hydrogen is emitted, and which we know all of us the test for hydrogen. Who can give the test for hydrogen? How can we test for hydrogen? Can anyone give the test for hydrogen? How can we test for hydrogen? Anyone?
Ah, this is what you have been answering.
Who?
You can use a burning split. So that burning split will burn with a pop sound in hydrogen. Thank you.
That is very nice, Peter. So the test for this hydrogen, we say that when it is burned with the hydrogen gas, you get a pop sound is emitted. So for today, that is all we can learn for group 1 elements. In our next lesson, we're going to learn more, and have a nice evening. Tunaweza tukaleta. Unajua kidogo mara tatu.